Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get circle glasses in Blockman Go. These stylish accessories are a fantastic way to personalize your character and stand out. The primary method involves using the in-game shop, where a wide variety of items, including glasses, are available for purchase. You will typically need G-Cubes, the game's premium currency, to acquire these special decorations. To get G-Cubes, you can purchase them directly within the game's store. There are several packages available, ranging from 60 G-Cubes for under $1 to 8,400 G-Cubes for around $95. Keep an eye out for special promotions or discounts on these bundles, as they can help you get more G-Cubes for your money, making your purchases more efficient. Beyond direct purchases, you can also acquire items through engaging in game events. Blockman Go frequently hosts limited-time events that offer exclusive outfits, coins, and vouchers as rewards. Additionally, playing minigames allows you to earn gold, which can then be used to buy various decorations and items, potentially including unique accessories like circle glasses. With these methods, you can truly express your unique style and make your avatar stand out. Remember to check the in-game shop frequently, as item selections rotate, bringing new and exciting accessories. Also, consider that VIP players often receive special privileges, including a 20% discount on decorations, making it easier to expand your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.